The most significant worldwide problems when spray drying powders and the solutions. Keeping high hygiene standards. Cause of problem: nozzle O-ring groove design. Cleaning traditional spray nozzles is difficult due to the O-ring groove inside the cap. The conventional cap chamber design have tight and out of reach corners that harbour unreachable contaminants. Solution: Hygiene and Clean Easy Nozzle. Click&Dry caps are designed to be easy to clean and produce higher hygienic results. With a smooth internal profile, the spray drying industry can now reach the new level of hygiene with increased ease. Click&Dry's smooth bore design improves cleaning and hygiene. It's easy to join the nozzle revolution. Reduce nozzle buildup and achieve longer run times. Improve powder quality by reducing scorched particles. Improve hygiene with easy to clean cap internals. Get longer wear part life and eliminate breakages. Save money and reduce operating costs up to 60%. Click&Dry. It's how spray dry innovation is done.